When moms spend time together, stories, tips, failures, and advice flow freely. Welcome to Mom Days, a weekly health chat with local moms just like you.
Croup cough, that dry barking sound that makes you feel so sad for your little ones. What do you guys do?
Well, it's extremely scary, and it comes out at night, and you hear like, and you're like, okay, do I go to Centricare right now? Do I fall back asleep and wait till my husband wakes up and goes and takes the kid?
I'm like, do you hear that? Do you hear that?
Yeah. So she got a steroid shot, and then we didn't have to give her medicine at all. We just use a nebulizer. She puts it on. She looks like she's from Star Wars, and the steam's coming out. And
I try to prop up their bed at night with whether I put pillows underneath it or something to keep them elevated, and it never seems to work.
Yeah.
And I don't know if this is a Spanish thing or not, but I am like
Share
big
it.
vapor rubs right here, by your nasal, right here.
Yeah.
I do the feet too.
Great menthol smell.
That's right.
Keeping your child calm is really important because crying can agitate the throat even more. But croup can also be a sign of an even more serious illness. So if breathing gets difficult or if the croup lasts for more than 2 or 3 days, Centricare doctors urge you to have your child checked out. Sometimes a chest x-ray is even necessary.